Welcome to our latest project. Come on inside and have a look at what we're going to do. The first area of concern is the powder room and the flooring. Down here in the basement, we're going to fix up the walls, paint it, put new flooring, and a curtain across here to cover the washer and dryer. Here we're into the living room, family room. We're going to paint the walls here, clean the carpet. Extensive repairs in the drywall in the dining room area and the ceiling. We're going to paint the walls. We're also going to change the floor. In the kitchen here, we're just going to coat the cupboards with nice paint, redo the floor, paint, new light fixtures. Up here, it's not too bad. The flooring's already been done, so we're just gonna put baseboard. We're gonna paint the ceilings. The bathroom's gonna get totally upgraded. Remember, we're on a budget here, so we're keeping it tight. I want to thank you for dropping by. Come back again, see the progress we make, and remember, the budget is going to limit it, but we're trying to get the most out of this home that we can.